A pancake. Please unrecord that and re-record it.
Is it done? I don't think it's done. Oh, it's not gonna fit. What's the flame doing?
Flame go.
Go rub the sink. Oh my god, it's alive. Shut up. It's in here.
Step it.
Don't want it.
Get your sausage fingers out of the video.
That's mean.
Lots of sausage fingers.
You're a jerk. Shut up. You can't do that. Okay?
I can when it's cooked all the way.
It is cooked all the way.
How do you know? Flip it over.
No.
Oh, it's burnt on the bottom.
Just do what you did before.
Our yummy pile of pancake.
Not even a pile anymore. This would have been a good video. How are you?
Dude, your pancake's burning.
No, it's not. Is it?
When you see smoke coming off your pancake, it's burning. I thought you were my mom.
It's not even
Okay.
cooked on the bottom, so shut up.
Take your nasty fingers in the video and then you're like touching it. That shows you how sanitary Olivia is.
Well, I guess you guys can eat pancakes on mine.
It has a crack.
Huh? I know because I just freaking broke it. It's smoking. It's done. I know, but it's not done.
Geez, someone's camera shy.
If it burns, I'm gonna be kind of pissed off.
Do it with your...
Is it burning? Oh, I think it's done.
Yeah? Here's the big moment. Here's the big moment. Failure number 2.
Number 2.
Number 3, I mean.
Number 3. Now.
Now for making it actually good.
Shut up.
You're covered up with syrup. Learn for the white stuff.
Well, you have to get all of it.
It's a great electrical power unit right there.
I'm trying to figure it out.